No, and it's interesting too because other like software options out there right now for the clean industry, janitorial, building services. There's been a series of software companies trying to get into the building services industry, but they never had the actual feedback you need for it to work. Like up front, a lot of people make the assumption that the clean industry is easy to understand. A lot of it's a no-brainer, but it's really not. There's the sheer amount of logistics and human capital management that goes into it is immense. So when they go from software to create something that they think will work, but it absolutely does not have any real-life application, compared to us coming from the industry doing software now, in tandem with the live feedback that we get with Rosalato, is a tremendous advantage. So I mean, like, we can come up with the best ideas in the world, but if no one uses it in real life, it doesn't even matter.